Hello friends, by the end of this video, you will know exactly which machines to buy for setting up a Poha business factory and, more importantly, how to upgrade your factory when you want to expand your business. This video is a must-watch for anyone looking to set up a Poha business. When starting a Poha business, it's best to have a factory that can produce 900 kilograms of Poha per day. If you start with less, you'll likely need to upgrade your machines within 6 to 12 months. Starting with more can lead to unused capacity for a long time. Economically, it's wise to begin with a capacity of 900 kilograms per day, for an 8-hour workday. Later, as your business grows, you have two options. If a 16-hour workday is not possible, upgrade directly to 2,700 kilograms per day after 2 to 3 years. If you can work 16 hours, first increase to 1,800 kilograms per day by working 2 shifts a day. Once you're fully utilizing the 1,800 kilograms per day capacity, and then consider upgrading to 2,700 kilograms per day. Now, let's delve deeper into the exact machines you need. When starting a Poha medium-sized business with a factory capacity of 900 kgs per day, you'll need several types of machinery. For processing, you will need a pre-cleaning machine. A machine used to remove dust, straw, stones, and other impurities from paddy seeds before it is processed further. Aim for a capacity of 300 kgs per hour. Machine costing around 1,50,000 rupees. Then you will need 10 drums for paddy seeds soaks. The paddy seeds need to be soaked to realize the desired moisture content. Soaks drums are used for this purpose, where paddy seeds are submerged in water for a set period. Costing around 10,000 rupees. Then you will need paddy seeds roasting machine. A machine used to roast paddy using either sand roasting or hot air. The capacity of roasting machine should be 300 kilograms per hour. Costing around 2 lakhs rupees. Then you will need flattening machine. Presses roasted paddy through rollers to form thin flakes of Poha. Ideally with a capacity of 300 kgs per hour. Which should cost around 2 lakhs rupees. Additionally, you should have a 2 sieving machine, used to separate small broken pieces and dust from the flattened Poha flakes. The capacity of a Poha sieving machine should be 200 kgs per hour. Costing around 190,000 rupees. You will also need drying machine. Reduces moisture content in Poha flakes to increase long time fresh, using hot airflow. The capacity of 150 kgs per hour. Costing around 25,000 rupees. Then packing machine is required. For packaging of Poha, automates the weighing, filling, and sealing of Poha into packaging bags. Costing around 1,35,000 rupees. Do subscribe to Vyapar Coach channel. All the best.